Okay, JackieLineCrazy.com. I am previewing 200 acres in Henderson County, and it's pretty much a cove. Unless you have the side of the mountain that we're on, it faces north, and then that other side of that mountain, it faces south. And we're on a little walking trail that the property owner just built, and I don't know if you can hear the waterfall, but I can hear the waterfall. So I know I'm getting ready for a little treat here. I'm excited. Oh yeah, that is loud. You asked for a waterfall. We found one. Beautiful rock. I hear it. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. How tall is it?
I don't know. I can guess.
Yeah, I'm not a good guess at that.
Maybe 40 feet.
Look at that. Look at the rock formation there. Wow. What a treat, huh?
Yeah, neat little cave on the other side of the creek over there too.
Where's that water coming from?
It's surprising there's that much water because we're pretty high on the mountain.
Where's it coming from? Straight out of the ground?
We're not to the top yet. I've never been up to the head of it.
It's like Lake Lure, what's it called, Chimney Rock?
Yeah.
There's nothing above it, and there's this, massive amount of water coming down, and you're like, what?
Yep.
This is great, because I actually have a guy looking for a waterfall.
Yeah.
That was worth waking up to, my friend. Huh? Yeah. Those are rare. Yeah. They're rare. Yeah. And it's just unbelievable how those rocks look like they're stacked books, How perfectly square they are. I don't know. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. Now you can generate electricity from something that falls that high, I'm sure.
You can, yeah.
Yeah, right? Yeah, so 40 feet, I think. You're right.
Maybe 30, 40. Probably more like 40.
And that's the highest fall in this range of water that comes down.
There's another waterfall.